Good morning. You're watching Much Ado About Something today, and I'm Donna. Well, it is a beautiful morning, a beautiful summer morning. I'll show you the gardens this morning. Now, these are typical midsummer gardens for me. They are just as full as they possibly can be. They are just loaded with flowers and growth. Now, it rained most of the night, so I won't have to water this morning. When I got up to check the gardens, and I got up last night to check, I noticed that it had rained. So the bird baths are full. They're full of good rainwater. And the gardens are full. And everything is just packed as tight as it can possibly be. I wanted to capture that hummingbird that was over there for you, but he's easily spooked. When I'm coming through the garden, he flies away. The hanging baskets are good and thoroughly watered. And the flowers and everything around them have grown around the hanging baskets. The birds sound good this morning. These are about spent out this year. They've been beautiful. And they've lasted a long time. You can just see the thickness and the fullness of the flowers and everything that's growing in the garden. And this is how it gets midsummer all the way through to summer. It's just thick. The lamb's ear is really growing. We just put that in, and it's just beautiful. I'm going to spread that along there. Now it'll be time to clean out the things that are spent. And when I say they're spent, I just mean they're into their seeding cycle, and it's time to clean them out. So I'll be doing that before too much longer. It's extremely wet out here this morning from all that rain last night, so I'll let it dry out some before I try to get out here and work in the garden. But I can come and just enjoy it this morning. I don't have to worry about watering anything because it rained, and I'm thankful for it. And I am no longer needed to water this morning, depending on what today's day will look like, how hot it gets today. I may have to come out and water this afternoon, but everything looks really good so far. I have to get out here and cut away all the dead flowers from the geranium. But it's beautiful this morning. Donald's setting out for the day. He's getting ready to go on to work, and I am just enjoying the morning and looking at the full gardens, the full summer garden. And of course, always making plans. Listening to the birds this morning, listening to them sing. You may not be able to hear them. I've got this mic on, so it may just center on me. And you may not be able to hear the birds and all the noises that's going on this morning. But it's the noises that I'm used to hearing in the morning. There's a train, not very much traffic at this time of the morning. You know, we live in the city, so sometimes the traffic is pretty loud. It's a pretty loud neighborhood, but early in the morning, it's just the birds usually. Looking at the full summer gardens, this is how it gets at this time of the year. Well, I hope you're having a good day today. I thank you for letting me share my garden tour with you this morning. My little time in the garden before the day gets started. Right after the rain, it rained again last night, and I'm thankful for it. Just hanging out here looking to see what needs to be cleaned out, cut back, and what needs to be done, but just enjoy seeing the beauty of it all growing together. Thank you for joining me today, and like always, until next time.